Welcome to this video about Autodraw, an innovative and easy-to-use drawing tool created by Google. Whether you're a professional artist or someone who just loves to doodle, Autodraw can help you create beautiful and professional-looking artwork in just a few clicks. With its cutting-edge technology, Autodraw can recognize your drawings and suggest professional-level images that you can use to enhance your artwork. In this video, we'll explore the various features and benefits of Autodraw, including how it works, what it can be used for, and why it's a great tool for artists of all levels. Welcome to Topia. Our channel is dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on society. From cutting-edge research to real-world applications, we bring you the latest insights and developments in AI. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to exclusive content that will expand your knowledge of AI and its potential to revolutionize the world. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply curious about this exciting field, Topia is the perfect place to stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI. One of the biggest advantages of Autodraw is that it's an extremely simple and intuitive tool to use, which makes it an accessible tool to people with varying levels of artistic skill. The tool's user-friendly interface and the pre-drawn image suggestions make it easy for anyone to create professional-looking artwork quickly and effortlessly. Moreover, Autodraw's recognition of common drawing mistakes and its suggestions for corrections make it an excellent learning tool for beginners. The corrections suggested by the tool can help users improve their drawing skills and become better at creating accurate artwork. In addition, Autodraw's suggestion feature can help users who may have difficulty coming up with ideas or visualizing their artwork. The tool can suggest pre-drawn images that match the user's doodles, making it easier for them to come up with unique and creative designs. Now that we've discussed the simplicity of Autodraw, let's move on to the tool's ability to recognize and correct common drawing mistakes. Autodraw's suggestion feature makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking artwork. With its machine learning algorithm, Autodraw can recognize the user's doodles and suggest pre-drawn images that closely match them. This feature is particularly useful for those who may not have a lot of experience with drawing, or those who want to create artwork quickly. Additionally, Autodraw has a wide variety of templates and backgrounds to choose from, making it easy for users to create artwork for a variety of purposes. Another advantage of Autodraw is its ability to recognize and correct common drawing mistakes. For example, if the user accidentally draws a straight line instead of a curved one, Autodraw may suggest a correction to make the drawing more accurate. This feature can be especially helpful for those who are not naturally talented artists. The suggestion feature and error correction in Autodraw make it a great tool for beginners and professionals alike. With its variety of tools and templates, Autodraw provides a simple and intuitive platform for users to create digital artwork. The software is especially beneficial for those who are looking to create artwork quickly or those who may not have a lot of experience with traditional drawing techniques. Moving on. Have you ever wondered about the variety of drawing tools and colors available in Autodraw? One of the standout features of Autodraw is the ability to recognize and correct common drawing mistakes. This feature can be especially helpful for those who are not naturally talented artists. For example, if you accidentally draw a straight line instead of a curved one, Autodraw may suggest a correction to make your drawing more accurate. This can save time and frustration for users who might otherwise have to start over or spend a lot of time manually correcting the mistakes. In addition to recognizing and correcting mistakes, Autodraw also has a variety of drawing tools and colors to choose from, making it easy to customize your artwork. Users can choose from a wide variety of brush styles, fill colors, and line weights to create a unique look for their artwork. The tool also has a variety of templates and backgrounds to choose from, allowing users to easily create professional-looking artwork for a variety of purposes. The ability to correct mistakes and customize artwork makes Autodraw an attractive option for users who may not have a lot of experience with drawing or design software. It allows them to create quality artwork quickly and easily, without having to worry about making mistakes or spending a lot of time manually adjusting their artwork. What are some other common drawing mistakes that Autodraw can recognize and correct? How does the variety of drawing tools and colors in Autodraw help users customize their artwork? Let us know in the comments below. Autodraw provides a wide variety of drawing tools and templates, allowing users to customize their artwork and create professional-looking designs. Users can choose from various drawing tools such as a pencil, pen, brush, and calligraphy pen, among others, to create different styles of artwork. Furthermore, users can also choose from a selection of templates for different purposes, such as social media posts, invitations, and presentations, making it easy to create artwork that suits their needs. One of the benefits of using Autodraw's templates is that it saves time in the design process. Users can quickly select a template that matches their desired style and make modifications as needed, rather than starting from scratch. This feature is especially helpful for users who have a limited amount of time or are not experienced in designing artwork from scratch. Another advantage of using Autodraw's templates is that it can help users create consistent branding and design across their different projects. By using the same templates for different pieces of artwork, users can create a cohesive look and feel for their brand or project, which can help with recognition and memorability. How can Autodraw be helpful for beginners? Autodraw can be an excellent tool for beginners who may not have much experience with drawing. The suggestion feature in Autodraw helps users improve their drawing skills by providing helpful prompts and suggestions. For instance, a user can start with a simple sketch or doodle, and the machine learning algorithm will suggest pre-drawn images that closely match the user's drawing. This feature can be especially helpful for beginners who may not know where to start or how to draw certain shapes. Additionally, Autodraw's ability to recognize and correct common drawing mistakes can be helpful for users who are not naturally talented artists. For example, if a user accidentally draws a straight line instead of a curved one, Autodraw may suggest a correction to make the drawing more accurate. By receiving immediate feedback and corrections, users can quickly improve their skills and gain confidence in their ability to draw. Overall, Autodraw's intuitive interface, suggestion feature, and ability to recognize and correct mistakes make it an excellent tool for beginners who are just starting to explore digital art. By using Autodraw, users can create professional-looking digital artwork quickly and easily, even without much experience in drawing. Now let's move on to the collaboration and sharing capabilities of Autodraw. Autodraw not only allows users to create unique drawings and designs, but also makes it easy to share and collaborate on projects with others. The tool enables users to save their creations in different formats, including PNG, SVG, and JPEG, making it easy to share their work on social media or other online platforms. Collaboration is made possible through Autodraw's sharing feature, which allows users to share their drawings and designs with others. This feature is particularly useful for team projects or group activities where multiple people are working on the same project. Users can share their drawings via a unique link or email invitation, and the recipients can edit the drawing in real time, making it easy to collaborate and share ideas. The sharing feature also allows users to receive feedback on their work from others. Users can share their drawings with others and receive comments and suggestions on how to improve their designs. This feedback can be especially helpful for beginners who may not have much experience with drawing and are looking to improve their skills. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to Autodraw. What do you think are some of the drawbacks of the program? Let us know in the comments section. While Autodraw has many benefits, there are also some potential downsides to using the tool. One of the main concerns is that users may become too reliant on the tool's suggestions and may not develop their own drawing skills. While Autodraw can be helpful for beginners, it's important to continue practicing and experimenting with different drawing techniques to truly improve. Another potential downside is that the tool may not always provide accurate suggestions. Autodraw's suggestions are based on machine learning algorithms, which means the suggestions are only as good as the data the algorithm has been trained on. In some cases, Autodraw may suggest an incorrect or inappropriate drawing for a particular situation, which could lead to confusion or mistakes. Finally, there's the concern of privacy and ownership of the drawings created by Autodraw. Since the tool is owned by Google, there may be some questions about who owns the rights to the drawings created with the tool and how that data is being used. To summarize, Autodraw is an artificial intelligence-based drawing tool developed by Google that uses machine learning algorithms to suggest and complete user-drawn images in real time. It's designed to be easy to use for both beginners and professionals alike, and the tool can help users create professional-looking images in minutes without requiring much skill or experience in drawing. With its vast library of pre-drawn images and intuitive interface, Autodraw can help users create everything from simple sketches to complex illustrations with ease. The tool's ability to recognize and suggest drawings based on user input makes it an excellent option for people who want to create custom images quickly and efficiently. Autodraw can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating marketing materials, designing logos, creating social media graphics, or simply doodling for fun. It's available for free and can be accessed online from any device with internet access, making it an accessible tool for anyone who wants to create custom images without the need for expensive software or equipment. Are you tired of creating the same old designs or struggling to come up with new ideas? Look no further than Runway ML. the powerful machine learning software that can help you unleash your creativity in ways you never thought possible. In our next video, we'll show you how to use Runway ML to take your designs to the next level. Whether you're a graphic designer, visual artist, or just someone looking to explore the world of machine learning.